Good evening, students. Class 10 areas related to circle, exercise 12.1 and the introduction video I have uploaded already in my channel. Now, the second video, exercise 12.2, areas related to circle, which is based on sector, segment, semicircle, circle, quadrant, everything I have given you in the first video itself. Now directly I will move on. For your information, first one or two sums I will write the formulas. Remaining sums I will write the formula, then calculation part you have to do. The calculation in the sense pi ki badala if they given 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Substitute the value, calculate. The calculation part you guys have to do. Okay, ba? So first sum 12.2. So I'll move on to start with the formula. I will write first question. Find the area of a sector of a circle with the radius. So step number 1 given r, first one given equal to r equal to 6 centimeter. Then angle theta equal to 60 degree. Find the sector. Abdina meaning on the it's a minus sector. So area of a, they asked you to find out area of a sector. Formula theta upon 360 times pi r square. What is meant by sector, segment, everything I given in the introduction video itself. Theta 60 upon 360, pi ki value 22 upon 7, 6 times 60. So basic calculations. So I got 132 upon 7. You can leave in the fraction itself. No issues. They will give you the marks. Second question. Find the area of a quadrant. So what is meant by quadrant? 1/4 of the circle is said to be quadrant. So this is said to be quadrant. Quadrant, the theta value is 90 degree. Is otherwise called as, this portion we need the sector, quadrant, or is otherwise called as minus sector. Okay, ba? So what is given? First one for all the sums given. Theta value. Quadrant means is a inbuilt theta equal 90. Circumference equal to 22 centimeter. So circumference equal to 22 centimeter. So we have to find out. So we will write the formula here. Theta upon 360 times pi r square. So circumference of a circle 2 pi r equal to 22. 2 times 22 upon 7 times r equal to 22. Cancel. Therefore r equal to, take a reciprocal, 7 upon 2 centimeter. So theta value 90 upon 360, 22 upon 7, r with a value 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2. So normal cancellations, if you cancel everything, so I got the basic calculations which you guys know in the class 6th and 7th itself. The final answer 77 upon 8 centimeter square, not to forget that one because area. Third question. The length of the minute hand of the clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So this is a clock. This is okay, ba? So the minute hand is this one, minute hand. So minute hand swept in 5 minutes, the minute hand of the clock. So they are giving you that radius, minute of the clock now, radius is 14 centimeter. Radius is 14 centimeter. This is radius. So in 5 minutes I need. Okay, ba? So 1 hour ku 360 minutes. 1 hour ku 60 minutes. Sorry, 1 hour ku 60 minutes. So I need to calculate for 5 minutes ke enna degree venum. So theta value we don't know, right? So 1 hour na, so 1 hour equal to 360 degree. 1 hour na evlavu 60 minutes equal to 360 degree. 1 hour na full circle varum 360 degree. 1 hour na 60 minutes and 360 degree na 1 minute equal to 360 by 60. So 1 minute equal to 6 degree. 1 minute ku 6 degree enakku varudhu. 60 minutes ku 360 degree na 1 minute ku 6 degree. எனக்கு தேவை எத்தனை minutes? 5 minutes na 30 degree. 6 into 5 30 degree. So இப்போ I repeat one more time. 1 hour ku full circle na 360 degree. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes ku 360 degree na 1 minute ku 6 degree. They asked us to find it 5 minutes. 5 minutes ku 30 degree. Okay, so therefore theta value also now this is theta value. So the sector theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta value now only I found 30 upon 360 times 22 upon 7 times r square 14 times 14. So normal cancellation I got the value. This third question, the answer is like this: 154 upon 3. 154 upon 3 centimeter square. Fourth question. The chord of a circle of a radius 10 centimeter subtend the right angle at the center. Subtends the right angle at the center. Find the area of a corresponding minor segment and the major segment. So theta value they given you very clearly right angle. So pi value also 3.14. So given first one given radius equal to 10 centimeter and theta equal to right angle. So right angle na meaning enna 90 degree. So I'm keeping in mind the below average students also. It's the easiest shortcut to find all the values. Now solution. What's the first option? Find the area of a minor segment. So area of minor segment. Area of a minor segment na theta upon 360 into pi r square minus sine theta upon 2 cos theta upon 2 r square. This is the shortcut formula to find out the minor segment. This is the shortcut. Okay, va? So now substitute the everything value. Theta value 90 upon 360 into pi ki value 3.14 they given you very clearly. So 3.14. Okay, va? So 3.14 into radius square 10 times 10 minus sine theta by 2 abdina 90 upon 2 cos theta upon 90 upon 2 r square 10 into 10. So if you cancel it, the normal value 94. So 1 upon 4 times 3.14 in times 100 minus sine 45 degree 1 upon root 2 cos 45 degree 1 upon root 2 times 100. The final answer you may be getting 78.5 minus 50. So 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, correct. 78.5 minus 50. The final answer is 28.5 centimeter square. And the second option they asked us to find out area of a major sector. I am teaching very slowly. I have given you all the introductions in the first video itself. Okay, well? So go through thoroughly the first video, then remaining everything will be easy for you. Second option, area of, so they asked us to find out area of major sector. Area of major sector. What's the formula of a major sector? Circle, area of a circle minus 3 theta by 360 into pi r square. So the area of a major sector is this portion. Okay, va? So pi value 3.14, radius 10 times 10 minus theta value 90 upon 360 into pi value into radius 10 times 10. So after calculating, so you get the major sector is, the major sector answer is 235.5 235.5 centimeter square. Question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, angle 60 degree at the center. So they given you very clearly, first one given theta r value 21 centimeter, given r value 21 centimeter, theta value 60 degree. Option A. Find the length of the arc. Length of the arc formula. So L, length of the arc formula, theta by 360 times 2 pi r. So theta value 60 upon 360 into pi any value 2 times pi 3.14, radius 21. So this one 6, 3 table is 7. The length of the arc answer is 22 So 6, 3, 7. The final answer length of the arc is approximately, you will get, so 3 table is 7, 21, approximately 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter approx. Or you can write in the decimal value also, no problem. The next one, it is find the angle of, they asked us to find the area of the sector. Area of the sector. So sector now I already told you that sector na minus sector. So theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta value 60 upon 360, pi ki 22, pi ki value, fifth question they are not given anything. So you can take 22 upon 7 also, no problem. If you take 22 upon 7, 7 will cancel, so you will get 22 centimeter. So please take it 22 by 7, then you will get cancel. So 22 upon 7 r square, 21 times 21. So if you cancel it, so you may get the answer for the area of a sector is like this. Area of a sector formed by 231 centimeter square. 231 centimeter square. Option C. So 3 mark question or 4 marks. So area of a segment. Segment of a minus segment. Minus segment formula is already there. Minus segment already formula is there. I don't want to write again. So you can calculate area of a minus segment, theta value, r value, everything is there. So just substitute third option. This is 5C, fifth question, C option. Theta value 60. 60 upon 360, 22 upon 7, r value 21 times 21, minus sine theta value 60 upon 2, cos 60 upon 2, r square 21 times 21. Finally I got calculation. This is sine 30, cos 30. That also I will write, okay. So if I cancel 1 upon 6 times 22 upon 7 times 21 times 21 minus 60 by 2, sine 30, 1 by root 2, cos 30, root 3 by 2. Now into 21 times 21. The final calculation, you guys will be getting area of a minus segment, 231 minus 441 into root 3 upon 4. So calculation 441 into root 3 by 4 into root 3 by 4 centimeter square. If they are given you the root 3 value, substitute the root 3 value 1.732 or 1.73. They will give you the value and substitute and finish it off. If they are not given, then leave as it is. Sure, in the board examinations they will give you the marks. Next, question number 6. The chord of a circle of radius, given radius 15 centimeter, angle 60 degree. Find the corresponding minor segment and the major segment, and pi value, root 3 value. Everything is given. So question number 6, given radius value 15 centimeter, radius 15 centimeter. The theta value 60 degree. Find option A, minor segment, major segment. So area of minor segment equal to formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 r square. So just substitute the values. Mere substitution, you will get the answers. So substitute theta value, everything. So substitute the values. So theta equal to 60 degree. So 60 upon 360, pi value they given in the question 3.14, radius 15 times 15 minus sine theta value 60 by 2, cos 60 by 2, radius value 15 times 15. Finally I got a normal calculation, 1 upon 6 times 3.14 into 225 minus sine 30 value 1 by 2, cos 30 value root 3 by 2 into 225. The final calculation, so that you get with the answer like this. The first one answer area of a minor segment is 20.43 centimeter square. 20.43 centimeter square. Option B, area of a major segment. So area of major segment. Formula: area of a circle minus area of minor segment. Area of a circle formula: pi r square minus the value 20.43. Pi value 3.14. Radius 15 times 15. I think so. Minus 20.43. So you got the answer is 686.06 centimeter square. I am trusting you, all of you, that those who are seeing this video, you guys know how to calculate the basic multiplication. I am trusting you, all the students, those who are class 10 standard, you guys know how to multiply, how to subtract the decimal. If you are unable to do that also, the class 6th portion, decimal, subtraction, addition, I will do. Comment, put in the comment box that sir, I don't know how to do the decimal, subtraction, addition, so that could you please teach now? Sure, I will teach you, don't worry. Okay, question number 7. A chord of a circle of radius angle 120. Find the area of a corresponding segment. So minor segment, theta value. So everything they given you very clearly. Okay, so radius value is 12 centimeter. So radius value, question number 7, radius value given. Okay, radius value 12 centimeter and the theta value is 120 degree. I think so. Yes. Find the area of a minus, corresponding segment of a minor segment. So area of minor segment. Formula: theta by 360 into pi r square minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 r square. So theta value 120 upon 360. Pi any number. So read the question thoroughly. Pi ki they should give pi also given, root 3 also given. Pi ki 3.14, radius 12 times 12 minus sin theta value 120 by 2 cos theta value 120 by 2 radius 12 times 12. So basic calculations: 120 is 63. So 1 upon 3 times 3.14 times 144 minus this is sin 60 cos 60 144. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2, cos 60 value 1 by 2. So final substitution. The 7th question answer is like this: 88.44 centimeter square. 88.44 centimeter square. 8th question. The arse is tied to a peg at one corner. Arse is tied, so tied at one corner of a square shape of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. Find the area of a part of a circle that arse can graze. The diagram is given in your textbook, and the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 centimeter long instead of 5 centimeter, pi equal 3.14. So the diagram is given very clearly in your textbook. This is a square. One corner of the rope is tied and arse is grazing like this. So unknowingly this portion is called as minor sector. Unknown. So the arse will go. The arse is going like this only. It's a minor sector. So square. The diagram is a square. Square now all the angle will be. So this angle will be 90 degree. So theta equal to 90 degree. Radius, case number 1. So this is from here the rope. So arse will, this is the radius. This is the radius, okay. So this is the radius. Radius, how much radius is given in the first case? 5 meter long. Radius is 5. So first case radius is 5 centimeter meter. So radius is 5 meter now. So you can guys, so you can do the first option. Area of a minor sector, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So theta value as I say square. Pi value, whether they given you pi value? No, nothing. Pi value given. Yes, 3.14. radius value 5 times 5. So if you cancel and then find it off. Second case, radius value increased to 10 and the theta equal to same. So area equal to, okay, for each sum I am not taking into consideration of my hand pain also. I am writing the formula. So you guys should write the formula. 90 upon 360 into pi 3.14 radius 10 times 10. So what may be your calculation? The first one answer is like this. The first one answer is 19.625 meter square. 19.625 meter square. The second one answer, if you substitute for 10, 78.5 centimeter square. Okay, meter. So they asked you how much is increased. Read the question. Toppers will leave this part. How much is increased? 78.5 minus 19.625. So you got the answer 58.875 meter square. Next, Bruch sum. Question number 9, Bruch. Bruch is a cleaning. Okay, so which is made with a silver wire in the form of a circle with the diameter 35 millimeter. With the diameter they given it 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters. Underline the word 5 diameters. While divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. So divide, underline that word also. So question number 9, a Bruch is a shape. Okay, so diameter, each diameter is 35 millimeter. Our diameter is, this length is AB is 35 millimeter. Okay. So there are 5 diameters. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 diameters. So given 5 diameters, each one equal to 35 millimeter, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sectors. Second point, 10 sectors. Now, total length of the silver wire required. Option A, total length of silver wire. முதல்ல silver wire எங்கெல்லாம் வருது? The diameter is silver wire. Outer portion is silver wire. The Bruch is made up of this one. The outer portion is silver wire and each diameter is silver wire. Apna meaning enna? 5 diameters length plus circumference of a circle. This is the length of the wire. Appo 5 over diameter எவ்வளவு 35 millimeter. Circumference of a circle formula enna 2 pi r. Therefore 5 to 175 plus 2 times pi value, nothing is given, 22 upon 7 radius. Diameter on the 35 now, radius on the 35 upon 2. So the normal calculation, you guys will be getting the first option answer is 1925 by 2 millimeter square. 1925 by 2 millimeter square. Second one, wait, 1925 the total length of the wire 5 diameter 185 millimeter, because they are asking you to find out the length, right? So 185 millimeter is the total. If you cancel now, you may be getting, see here, that's now also calculate 5, 11, so 22, 110. Is it 285 or 185? So is it 285? I think so. Check panunga 185 285 so 22 110 and 285. Yes, correct. 110. So it is 285. The next one is option 2. So what's option 2? Area of each sector. So the entire thing is divided into 10 sectors, right? So 10 sectors na, what's the degree first of all? So second option, area of each sector, formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Radius value 35 by 2 தெரியும், but theta value ஒரு செக்டாருக்கு theta value என்ன வரும்? So the entire circle னா என்னது? full round னா எத்தனை டிகிரி? 360 டிகிரி. ஓகேவா? எத்தனை பார்ட்ஸா டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க? அத 10 பார்ட்ஸா டிவைட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அப்போ 1 பார்ட்டுக்கு என்ன டிகிரி வரும்? 360 by 10. So 1 part is equal to 36 degree. Therefore theta by 360, 360 pi 22 by 7, radius 35 by 2 r square la. So 35 by 2. So I got 10, 5, 11, 5, 2. So finally 11 times 35 upon 4. So I got the answer is like this, 385 by 4. 385 upon 4 millimeter square. So 9 questions I completed. In this exercise, how many questions I have to do is question number 10, 11, 12, 13. I think there are 6, approximately 14 questions are there. Okay, wow. So in the next video, or maybe I have easy questions. The next easy questions is question number 14. So area of a sector of an angle in degree of a circle with the radius r is given. So question number 14 I'll finish it off. Remaining questions I'll put in the next video. So area of a sector. So what is the formula for area of a sector? Formula வந்து theta by 360 into pi r square. But they given you 4 options. In the 4 options la எந்த option sync ஆகும்? So first option, இங்க எது? radius வந்து r, angle வந்து pi p, அதாவது theta equal to p கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, radius வந்து capital R. P by 180 into 2 pi r, P by 180 into 2 pi r வருமா, or P by 180 into pi r square. Third option, P by 360 into 2 pi r. And the last option, P by 720 into 2 pi r square. Which one will come? So எனக்கு என்ன வேணும் ஆக்சுவலா? theta பதிலா P by 360 into pi r square இது வரணும். இது எங்க இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும். P by 360 into pi r square எங்காவது வருதா? See here, இங்க pi r square வருது, இங்க ரெண்டு தான் இருக்கு. இது ரெண்டுல இது கரெக்ட், இங்க divided by 180 அப்ப தப்பு. இப்போ இங்க 720 2 டேபிள்ல கேன்சல் பண்ணா 360. So P by 360 into pi r square. So the correct answer is D. So I'll meet you in the next video, question number 10, 11, 12, 13, and the next exercise also I'll go on. So practice well, you can and you will. In the next video I'll try to put the remaining sums.